Sounds like we have a pretty good motor. This is the elevator at this. Elevator machinery. It's a funny way to word it. That's an indicator up there. This is kind of a clone. I just hope this has a good motor. It's huge. Oh no, there's a fan override. Oh, no chicken beef. Door close works. Phone. It's in Series 1. This is a lot like I'm trying to think of what this reminds me of. Can't think of it. If only I had a chicken beef, that would have been a lot funnier. I don't know what this is though. No, Otis played. There goes, and that's it.